Okay. You know that's a bit, yeah. Yes. Greetings, Assalamu alaikum, voice from the Gambia, digital voice from Sukuta, digital voice from the Smiling Coast, a unique voice from Africa, a unique voice from wonderful Gambia, the Smiling Coast of West Africa, the Smiling Coast of the world. LOVEYOU to the Gambia, who are in here now out there. It's all about the Sukuta traffic light, the new development going on right in heart of Sukuta traffic light. So right now, I am Lucky Child, the eye of the Gambia, simply the way the Prince of Africa, building Africa one step at a time, building the Gambia one step at a time, developing Gambia one step at a time. So Papaji behind the camera, Papaji the smiling coast of the Gambia, behind the camera, always taking his time to capture very proper standard views right at the moment. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move in and then show you the works and the changes of the new phase of Sukuta traffic light. So this is a flyover, it's a passover right now. So it's like the one in Costa Road and then Carava Avenue and then also in the turntable, right? So right now we urge all Gambian brothers and sisters to make a support to the platform, subscribe, basically like it, and share it to the four corners of the world. So update about the Sukuta traffic light, and we are saying sorry to our people, to our viewers out there, that 3 days now we did not simply upload a video. Yes, so it's all about our days on the Gambia, you know, but in Gambia nolu, Gambia nolu ba Gambia jani Gambia bantala, ba fala ko jara ma rek bal konton na. Kabo konton ro ko man ka fale kuma kan wala mun yalo ke kabona Sukuta traffic light, kabo Gambia kono, kabo mo findu kono kara dunia ton kon nano kono. What we got for you guys, bitilo wala to show you the update. Iba level of monta right now when it comes to the flyover iba mulo kan Sukuta kono right now nyimage political te nyim femol te mialon ko Gambia mo mela dengolem patiol bel watambila when it comes to this role, you know. So fem fami alon ko Gambia le dandala nga political bondala rek nga landi jana politician ol fango ngebe kambe ngeke kilinti, you know what I mean. So do ko nyimbita kan dal doman fada nga bafala level so bitilo lay ba mun ke kan no wala jelle ba nunka ay ba fix up kane pour kanaka concrete, you know what I mean. So la box oli bolle top rokang pour kanaka concrete, you know what I mean. You know we pass through here morning time, you know what I mean. So sang nyintu dumala tik nyin al thickness of bamanda bakele na. Yes, so we don't have too much of time, we have only 10-15 minutes that we want to sort out over here. So from there, finally going back to Lamen, we did 3 videos. Here is the third one, and then we're going to sit down and take our time, edit the videos, you know, I mean, wonderfully, properly, uniquely, you know. Okay, update on you. Pada nyile nyemuda compacting block sol ikanyile taka support. Ya yele. Panji ba smooth nyam. Very smooth, huh? Look at this. So ikanyile taka support. Wakane njuro tete na pa. No mama fe muroba kundala wa sometime talale ya. Aya side floor beleke. Then maybe bina fella bon na nyinkam. Ina ya compact. Pa enjele nyimba ba man nyame. Sarah. Yes. Baba, what do you like about this? I enjoy kunyame, huh? But I'm very comfortable with this flyover, man. Yeah. But when I cross, will you cross after me? Jump up. Can you? Hey, cameraman, on the wild lucky. Are you?
I've been telling you that you are climbing 2 hands, I climbing 1 hand.
1 hand. Santa. Yes. So, Papa, look at how wonderful. Just look at where we come from. How it is?
Good setting.
Good settings, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a very wonderful settings over there. Now, chew that. And here are the new things that they have fixed on top of the flyover, right, Pa? Yan jala jeng. Ano yun? The last time kung kapil ka po dyan, yun ulti dyan. Ibe bon nila la. All this foundation, yeah. Wala flyover lo mol ka tama nin namin na dyan. On the other side. Then the middle jang, wala street light all batara dyan na to. Yeah? And here are 2 lane. Here this side is 2 lane. Lane one yun. This is okay, fengkol ka slap ka tara tema. So yan jala jang. Jang. Lane o danda jang ne. 2 lane lem. This lane kapo jang kana fa jang is a lane, yeah? All right? From here to here is a lane. Yeah? And here, from here to here is a walking way, footpath. You understand? Why you get to understand? What Gambia can really do. Babaji, we're trying to show people out there what Gambia can really do. So now, what can Gambians do to the Gambia? Because Gambia is our mother, our father, and our ancestor. Gambia is our everything. So what can we do for Gambia without politics? Look at this. Respect on saluto. And I want to lead you to Sukuta there, so. Yeah, man. We were here in the morning.
Yeah,
You remember that?
yeah.
And there were heavy works was going on right now. During in the morning. Right now, it's only one sober working. The pump compact, I think there's like because they are on break right now. Now, I mean, you know, we work according to the time sometimes, you know. Hey, big changes, man. But that's why I said, yeah. You left the Gambia for 2 months, or you missed the Gambia for 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months. You come back, you see big changes. You see big changes, yeah? Yeah. So right, Papa Jiko, my cameraman said 1 minute left. So at least we take time, we cover this, you know, just to show them what's going on. Because during the morning time there are heavy works that are going on, you know what I mean? And I love the beautiful image of the Gambia right now because I see Gambia is overdevelopment, you know. Yeah? But you see beautiful structures. All you see is beautiful structures. But Papa, one thing that is slowly manol badadakan is very good now. But agriculture is the solution for the Gambia. It's the backbone. Trust me. We are not focusing into agriculture. Like few Gambians are. Yeah. But we should be focused into agriculture because it's the backbone and the oxygen of Africa. Yeah, man. It's only agriculture that can develop this nation and only agriculture can change this nation. Trust me. Believe it or not, that's it. It's the backbone and it's the oxygen. Every human being eat. Every living eat. Wow. Payal na mita yung flyover niya ala jang folon. Ala length. Huh? 500 meters. 500. Why you see so many talk CV I'm call this place seriously. Mm-hmm. Yes, man. It's all about us, the smiling coast, the Gambia, the unique coast, the wonderful coast, the smiling coast of the world. You know, Jarama, you know, to each and every Gambian, you know, kom ka fanyame rek Gambia baden kilinga ne kiling sade kilinga kamenga ke kilinti musoforanu mangoranu kana ko kon kadum wala tu ku Gambian mono jituma suki wala focul mbokk yi luma len di war rek moy suñ Gambia, one people, one nation, one Africa, you know what I mean? So joining hand can change the Gambia without no politics, you know. I'm into no party, yeah? Because a lot of people think that the videos that I'm doing is about politics and stuff like that. I'm not a politician and I don't deal with politics. And I don't deal with the politician them. The secondly is I love the Gambia and whatever I'm doing from my heart to the Gambians who are out there, to the real Gambians, to the Gambians who love to see the positive side of the Gambia, to Africans who love to see the positive side of Africa. Because we the African can make Africa to be great. We the Gambian can make Gambia to be great.